Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. Enjoy watching!
Check natin kung meron na gumapang. Yan, meron na guys. Merong isa. Meron pang isa dito sa may bandang taas. Yun. Hindi lang masyado klaro yung natin video. Pero makikita na siya. Ayan, maliit pa. Talaga nag-hatch to. Kanina nag-hatch sila.
Several days later.
And now they are already big. Some of them are on the 5th instar, the last instar. So we'll check closely. Okay, so now they are. Oh, there's one more. I didn't see it. There's one caterpillar here. Tiny. I think this days old, 3 days old or something. Okay, this one. So I have to place it here, or place it on a new leaf. So I'll place the leaf here. Okay, now guys, so these are the caterpillars now. They grown into an adult already, some of them. So that's the last instar, meaning they molt 5 times. Change their skin. So there's ants inside, small ants. What happened? Why is it there is ants here? So some of them, I think this is the 4th instar. This one as well, 4th instar, and this one. And this one here, this one is only in the 5th instar, and some of them are days old, 5 days old, some 3 days old, this one also. So they are very hungry. As you can see, they're almost, the leaves are almost finished. So now we have to feed them, and so that they can start eating again the new leaf. So we have a new leaves here. Hello. Okay, wait. Slowly. Oops. Okay, there. So there's another one. So it's raining here in our place. Right now it's raining, that's why the leaves are wet. And then make sure that the leaves are clean from any ants or insect or spider, even spider. But usually it's the black ants who likes to stay here on this kind of leaves. Oh, sorry. I think we still have to add more of the leaves. So now the other caterpillar is already started to eat the new leaf. I'll show you later. one. Oh no. Oh no, sorry. To be gentle, and when placing these leaves, so we have to check it's clean or not. So here we have to place another there. I'll show you guys the one that is nibbling or eating this one here. That guy. So they are already hungry. All of them are hungry. So it's a good timing. I think we have to add more here in this area. And then here. This one here, there. I think we have to add more here. There's ants, small ants, red ant, very small, but I think that is also a predator of the small caterpillars. Okay. Hey. Okay, so guys, I think that's it. So let them crawl on the new leaves that we are just placed here inside their box or the container. We don't disturb them while they are here on the side of this container. So let them crawl slowly, looking for food. Right now they are still sleeping or resting. Later, when they are very hungry, they will crawl and look for food. So guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. Bye. God bless.